Hey, what's up, guys? Happy day number 2. Do Fours here. We're going to talk about Office.com and how signing on with Office.com will help you to access the few of the platforms that I actually have not talked about today. So I'm going to use Jane's account. As you can see, I'm using her student ID at MUSD.net. And Jaden, I'm not going to share your birth date, so please understand I'm just using this to demonstrate for the students so that they see a similar platform, because unfortunately teachers sign-in is a little different. I'm going to use the student's birth date as their password, so you will follow everything exactly like I'm modeling, except your child's student ID is going to be a little different. Okay, hopefully they have that memorized. If they don't, let me know and I can always send that. But the kids in the class know their student IDs and know that for lunch as well. So this is your student portal. As you guys know, we access OneNote, and this is where all the classroom links are stored. Today, the staff just had a staff development on Microsoft Teams. This is how we're going to be coming together as a class sometime next week, and so I will be giving you tutorials on how to access this platform. Now, once again, you obviously are going to need your Dell student devices, and be patient. They will be rolling out here shortly. I know that Wi-Fi sometimes is a challenge, and they will be tackling all these obstacles. So once we're in our student portal, we're going to go to the waffle. You're going to click on these 9 little squares, and you're going to have the ability to access all of your apps. And the reason why I'm talking to you guys about this platform tonight, your student portal, is because a student actually suggested that we use Myon today instead of Get Epic, and that is totally your choice and actually a great suggestion. Why not mix it up? Use the platforms that you're most familiar with. Tomorrow, we will be using Illuminate Student. Tonight, I'm going to create some small assessments. Remember, these are just opportunities to practice what you've learned over the last 6-7 months. And once you click on Illuminate Student, you will have access to that. But parents, once again, the students should be able to show you all of the different platforms that they've used throughout the year. I've seen some kids using Pearson, Britannica. We've used Moby Max, which in alphabetical order, you just go down to M. So the name of the game is just keep things fun, keep things progressing. We don't want anything to get stale. And the Office.com student portal can be accessed from an iOS device, whether it be an iPad, an iPhone, Kindle, desktop, laptop, as long as you have a web browser. And then you log into Office.com, and it basically gives you the access to send emails, access your class links, create documents, word process, create slideshows, and then next week we'll be accessing Teams, which is really a cool way to teleconference with all of your classmates. So once again, Jane, thank you for suggesting Myon, and I figured this would be a great opportunity to share this with the rest of your class. You guys have a wonderful evening. Day number 3, we'll probably do Illuminate, and then hopefully you've selected a digital chapter book and have begun reading daily from that source. Have a wonderful evening, guys. Bye.